Today we are starting our first chapter, Three Questions. It's a story about a king. He wants answers to his three questions. A king has three questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. एक बार एक किंग को विचार आता है कि वो कभी भी ज़िंदगी में फेल नहीं होगा अगर वो उसको तीन चीज़ों के बारे में पता है. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something, means when he has to start a new thing, timing. What people should he listen to, and what is the most important thing for him to do. What is the most important: time, people, and most important thing. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. So he sent his messengers. उसने अपने राज्य में लोगों को भेजा और कहा कि जो भी उसके तीनों आंसर्स का क्वेश्चन का आंसर देगा उनको वो इनाम देगा. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Many people came, but they answered differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable, then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Some said that he should prepare timetable. Some said that he should prioritize the things. Yet others said the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. And some suggested that he need wise men. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. काउंसिल उसको चाहिए होगा, एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल उसको बताएं कि कैसे क्या चीज़ उसके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट टाइम. बट देन अदर्स सेड देयर वर सम थिंग्स which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. किसी ने कहा कि उसको मैजिशियन के पास जाना चाहिए. मैजिशियन ही उसको बता सकता है कि फ्यूचर में उसके लिए क्या चीज़ इम्पोर्टेंट होगी. In their answers to second question, some said the people most necessarily to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. The few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. Some said कि किसी ने कहा कि counselors important है. Counselors are the group of council. Some said doctors, others said soldiers, some said priest. पंडित important है, किसी ने कहा डॉक्टर important है, and some said soldiers. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. And most important thing, some people said कि साइंस इम्पॉर्टेंट है, किसी ने कहा फाइटिंग, युद्ध करेगा तो ही जीतेगा, and some said religious worship. As the answers to the questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. There was a man who was very wise. Hermit is a wise man. He used to live in the forest and he used to lead a very simple life. The hermit lived in the wood, which he never left. He saw no one but simple people. And so the king put on ordinary clothes, and before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. hermit के पास वो जाता है और उसके पास पहुंचने से पहले वो अपने घोड़े को अपने बॉडीगार्ड के पास छोड़ के चला जाता है. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. What was the hermit doing? He was digging the earth. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. तो hermit जब वो अकेला काम कर रहा था, he was breathing heavily. सांस चढ़ा हुआ था उसको, because he was old and weak. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? किंग जो है उससे जाके पूछता है कि मैं 3 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आपसे लेना चाहता हूँ. व्हाट इज़ द राइट टाइम टू डू अ थिंग? हु आर द राइट पीपल, इम्पॉर्टेंट पीपल, एंड what is the most important affair for him? Affair means thing or matter. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work it in your place. He said, I'll do it with the help of spade. कस्सी से वो मैं आपके लिए कर देता हूँ. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. तो वो कस्सी जो है वो राजा को दे देता है, and he sat down on the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. 2 कैरियाँ खोदने के बाद वो फिर अपना क्वेश्चन रिपीट करता है राजा. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, Now you rest and let me work. Hermit did not give any reply. Hermit अभी भी उसके क्वेश्चन के आंसर नहीं देते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि अब तुम आराम करो और मैं काम करता हूँ. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. Bed is small patches of ground for plants, जिसको आप क्यारी बोलते हो, ठीक है. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so and I will return home. राजा को गुस्सा आ जाता है मन ही मन. राजा कहते हैं कि अगर आप मेरे आंसर्स के क्वेश्चन के आंसर नहीं दोगे तो मैं घर चला जाता हूँ. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. इतने में कोई भागता हुआ आता है. There are some comprehension check questions. Why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? Because he wants that he should never fail in his life. So he wants answer to his 3 questions. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom to fetch wise men, to find answers to the question, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the question. Which option is correct? 4th one. To announce a reward for those who could answer the question.